In this video, you'll learn how to use split screen on Google Pixel 1, 1XL, 2 and 2XL devices. By the end of this guide, you will be able to multitask effectively by viewing two apps simultaneously on your screen. Begin by locating the square Recent Apps button at the bottom of your Pixel device. This button allows you to view all the applications currently running in the background. Once you tap it, a list of your open apps will appear. Ensure that at least two apps are open, as this is essential for using the split screen feature. Scroll through the list to find the app you wish to use in split screen mode. After identifying the first app, tap and hold the top of its window or its icon. This action will present you with a menu of options. From this menu, select the option labeled Split Screen Mode. Once selected, the app will move to the top half of your display. You will now see a selection of your open apps at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to choose a second app to run alongside the first. Choose your second app from the list that appears at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you select this app, it will occupy the bottom half of your display. Both applications will now run simultaneously, enabling you to multitask effectively on your Pixel device. This feature is particularly beneficial for older Pixel models, enhancing your productivity. To adjust the size of each app on the screen, locate the divider that separates the two applications. You can drag this divider up or down to resize the windows according to your preference. This flexibility allows you to allocate more space to the app you are currently using more intensively. To exit the split screen mode, simply drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom of the screen. Alternatively, you can press the home button to return to the normal view. It is advisable to close any unused apps to improve performance when using split screen. Managing tasks efficiently can help your device run smoother, especially when multitasking. Remember that using large applications may impact the performance of your device, so keep an eye on your available memory and storage. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.